In this first video, I will show you how to download SDK Flutter to build a beautiful application. So let's get started. Hello my friends and welcome back to another episode. Today I wanna explain how you install Flutter on Windows machine. First of all, go to flutter.dev and in this page, try Flutter and click to get started. Install Windows, Mac OS, Linux. We have three choices. So our course today about Windows, and we can talk about Mac OS and Linux. To install Linux and Mac OS, you must know tool is called Git. So what is Git and why is it so popular? Git is the most popular version control system in the world. A version control system records the change made to our code over time in special database called repository. We can look at project history and see who has made what change, when and why. So it's important thing you must know about it. I will show you all things about it as soon as possible. So don't miss subscribe button. So to install in Windows machine, you must have required all this and check about it. Operating system Windows 7 or more, 64 bits, and disk, and you must have disk space 400 megabytes, and Git for Windows. Install. So, and go to Windows. You must have Windows PowerShell in Windows machine. Check about it, that's all, if you have Windows 7 or less than. So first of all, click on Flutter and download it. It's download. So we have this Flutter Windows v.1.4 to stable.zip. So we must extract file. Click on here, and this my file Flutter. Cut Flutter and go to C, disk C, and create new file. So it's called src. Here my Flutter folder, and go on to page to read more. You must put it in CSRC Flutter. Do not install Flutter in a directory like C programming files. That's required. So update your path. Go on to your icon Windows and write env and click on edit the system environment. So click on this icon and click on path and new browser this PC and go on to C folder and src and click on bin and OK. We have new path, OK, and go to second widget and click on path and new and the browser like previous step and go on src and click on bin and OK. We have in my path and OK. That's all. And now you must run Flutter Doctor to know your SDK is good or not, if you have or not SDK on Windows. So go on to Flutter console.bat and click it on it, and we have this widget and write Flutter Doctor and click enter. So welcome to Flutter Doctor summary. You have Flutter channel in your Windows or desktop. So don't worry about errors or if you don't have anything about Flutter. I will show you about this in next time. So in next time I will show you how to install SDK on Visual Studio and Android Studio to make application or a beautiful application like you. So that's all and see you in next time. So long.